Welcome back to Bike Buzzin'. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson X440 AB, a bike that has been making waves for its blend of performance, style, and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a Harley enthusiast, this one's definitely got your attention. Let's break it down and see what makes the X440 stand out. Design and build? Harley Davidson has always been known for its iconic styling, and the X440 continues that tradition. The bike features a modern, aggressive design with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's got that quintessential Harley feel, but with a fresh twist. The X440 boasts a sleek and compact frame that makes it ideal for city commuting, yet still ready to hit the open road. The minimalist headlamp, muscular tank, and attention to detail in every curve make this machine an absolute head-turner. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Harley-Davidson X440 is a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that delivers a solid mix of power and efficiency. It's designed to strike a balance between everyday usability and thrilling performance. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing smooth shifts and a satisfying ride. Whether you're cruising around the city or carving through twisty roads, the X440's performance doesn't disappoint, offering impressive acceleration and handling, technology and features. Harley-Davidson has stepped up its game in the tech department. The X440 comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster offering clear and easy-to-read data. You've got essential readings like speed, fuel efficiency, trip details, and even riding modes to tailor your experience. The bike also features a robust braking system with ABS for added safety. And if you're a fan of convenience, the X440 also supports smartphone connectivity, letting you access navigation, music, and more on the go. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is key for any long ride, and the X440 delivers. It features a well-balanced suspension system that soaks up bumps while maintaining stability. The seat is ergonomic, designed to provide comfort during long commutes or weekend rides. Plus, the riding position strikes a nice balance between cruiser and sport bike, allowing for a more relaxed but still engaged posture. It's ideal for both new riders and those with more experience. Price and availability. As for the price, the 2025 Harley-Davidson X440 offers great value for the performance and features it brings to the table. While exact pricing may vary by region, it's expected to be competitively priced within the entry-level Harley range. As for availability, you can expect the X440 to hit dealerships soon, so make sure to check with your local Harley dealer for more details. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 2025 Harley-Davidson X440 bike that brings together cutting-edge tech, solid performance, and timeless Harley design. Whether you're looking for your first Harley or adding to your collection, the X440 is definitely worth considering. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more updates on all things bikes. Thanks for watching Bike Buzz. We'll catch you next time.